Hi everyone, Temi here, T-E-M-I. What are you thankful for? Well, I'm actually thankful for makeup, you know. As somebody that enjoys makeup, I'm really thankful for makeup. Praise God, hallelujah. So today I'm gonna be doing a look with this palette. It's a NYX Land of Lollies palette, and then I'm gonna be using this liquid eyeshadow glitter. So I'll see you guys in a minute. We are going to replicate this look on this eye. You guys ready? I'm ready. Okay, so I'm using this Land of Lollies by NYX. It's a thin. Did I say thin? It's a thin. I keep saying thin. It's a tin. This is what it looks like. It has some pretty fun colors. So the colors that I used are the red colors, you know, are the colors that I used. But I like this palette because you see how it's colorful. So you can do red, you can do something more neutral with gold, you can do something with the blue and the pink. It even has a white and a black, and the black is really dark. So that's the palette I'm going to be using, and I bought this at CVS, and I believe this is part of the collection as well. It's a glitter, liquid glitter eyeshadow, and they have it in different colors. I have this one as well. I believe this is kind of like a champagne gold color. So let's dig in. All right, so I'm gonna start with the red color in my crease. Let's be dangerous, okay? All right, don't be afraid of color, guys. Color is good for you. Color makes the world go round. All right, so I hope you guys are ready for Thanksgiving. Yay! Thanksgiving always excites me because I believe that's the first time, usually that's the first time that I get to gather with my entire family. I have a big family. I have 6 sisters, and then I have 4 nieces and nephews. Then I have a brother. You know, that's just us kids. Then there's our parents, you know. So I love it when we get together because we are crazy with each other. I love my siblings to death. So, you know, I'm always thankful for family. Always thankful for family. I don't take my family for granted at all. I know that they would always be there for me no matter what. No matter what. They would tell me the truth no matter. My sisters are blunt to a fault sometimes. Sometimes they annoy me. But I love them. But they are very, very blunt. They're very honest. We're very honest with each other. And I really appreciate that. So I apply that red color. And this is just a regular blending brush. So I'm just going over the edges. And I just want to fade out the red so that it doesn't look so stark. Okay, so I think I like how that's looking so far. Let's apply a little bit of that red color. Still a little bit more. All right. So next, I'm going to apply that kind of rust. It looks like a rust, reddish rust color. I'm going to apply that on the lid. And I'm doing this because I'm going to use that red glitter as well, the liquid NYX glitter. And I'm doing this so that the glitter has something to cling onto. I don't want to apply the glitter directly on my eyelid because I noticed that if I do that, it doesn't have a lot of pigment, so it doesn't show up as well. So compared to if I have like a shadow down and then I apply it on top of it. So that's why I'm going with this rust colored eyeshadow. So like I was saying, it's always good to be thankful, you know. I know that there are people that are going through so much in this life. You know, this world that we live in, it can be a very sad and depressing world sometimes. But I think that if you really, really just think about it, you will find something to be thankful for. You know, for family, for life itself, for friends, you know, anything. I think it's very important to always go back and, you know, find ways that we can do. Because I believe that gratitude makes us better. You know, living a life of gratitude, I believe that it really makes us be better. You know, when we are not just acting like, yeah, I'm the ish and everything is about me and I've done everything on my own. Nobody does anything on their own, you know. You need people. People help you. Little ways and big ways, we need each other. You know, human beings need each other. So, even if it's for your neighbor, maybe you have a neighbor that, you know, shovels your snow every time it snows. That's something to be thankful for. You know, you have a job, that's something to be thankful for. You have a car, that's something to be thankful for. So, me personally, I'm thankful for so many things. This year has been an interesting year. It's been a very interesting year for me and my family. But I'm very, very grateful to God for what He has done in our life. For the joys that we have experienced as a family. Because I know that it could have been worse. You know, things could have gone so many different horrible ways, you know, but it didn't. So I'm going to take that black color in the palette and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye right here. So at first I'm just going to pat it in and I'm going to kind of go in a V shape right on the outer edge. Right on the outer edge. Okay. This black is really, really dark, and I like that it's really dark. I have to be careful so that I don't kind of go crazy with it, because he can really turn into something else. Okay. So now I'm just kind of blending that black so that I can soften it a little bit. There's this Nigerian song stuck in my head. Oh, I was just listening to it. I'm tempted to just start singing it right now. Maybe I will. Who knows? Guys, my mirror is right here, so that's why I'm looking over this direction, just so you know. Alright. You know, I want you guys to go in the comments below and just say, you know, what you're thankful for. What are you thankful for this year, your entire life, whatever it is. Just, you know, let's share with each other. I think that when we share things that we're thankful for, you know, I believe that it creates kind of like a community of gratitude, you know. Because there are times when you're like, oh, I'm not really thankful for anything. And then you start hearing people saying things that they're thankful for, and you're like, oh, you know what? That's true, I'm thankful for that. So, you know, just share what you're thankful for. Let us celebrate with each other, you know. Let us just appreciate what God has done in each other's life, you know, whether it's people that He has brought to your path, you know, whatever it is. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the glitter. Okay, so I made a mistake with this glitter at first. I applied it directly with the wand. You don't want to do that. You do not want to do that, because what happens is if you do that, it's going to pack on too much on your eyelid, and it takes a while to dry. So what happened was, so I put it on, and then I didn't let it dry. So I tried to blend in it, and it just spread all over my eye. You don't want to do that. So what you want to do is put it in a flat surface, and then use a small brush to apply it. I figured that it's best to do it that way. All right, so. And also, so applying the glitter, you don't want to like swipe it on. You want to just take a little at a time and then you want to pat it in. Pat, pat, pat. Because if you swipe it, what happens is, okay, it will take off where you swiped. So you want to be careful and just pat, pat, pat. I like the way it sits on that that reddish rusty colored eyeshadow that I used. I like the way it sits on it. I'm telling you, that song is stuck in my head. I'm gonna play it. I'll play it after we finish. It's a really good song. Alright. So layer, you can layer it little by little. Okay. Now, you gotta let it dry before you start blending. Because if you don't let it dry and you start blending, it's going to move around. I learned that the hard way. Okay? Let it dry. I noticed that liquid glitter seems to be very popular now. NYX has one. I saw RIMMEL has one as well. You know, all these drugstore companies, they're not playing. They're trying to catch up with the high-end, you know, companies as well. I think it was Stila that started it. And now liquid glitter is the hit thing now. Okay, I think I can start blending a little bit. Alright, let's see. See, there I go singing it. Don't worry, I'll sing it. I will sing it. It's in my head, it must come out. Okay, where is? Okay, I'm just gonna go a little bit with that black. I'm gonna try and make it as even as possible. Okay. Are we even? I think we're even. I think we're even. Yep, that's good. Alright. I'm gonna go in with a liner today. Okay guys, I'm sorry. I cannot do the liner on camera. I'll be right back. I can't do the liner on camera because I need time. I need serious time to do eyeliner, and I'm gonna get really, really close to the mirror, so I'll be back. That's it. How many colors do we use? 1, 2, 3 colors. The red, the black, the rust color, and the glitter. Nice, right? I don't think it's too fussy, you know. So I'm gonna go put on the rest of my face and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using this OFRA eyeliner in Blissful. This eyeliner, I have to go really, really lightly with it because it's very blinding. But it's Thanksgiving and it's just my family, so I don't mind being blinding. Yep. Okay. See that? That's pretty. I would not go out like that though. I would probably, if I was going out, I would just blend it in a little bit more. Alright. Okay, I need to blend that out. Nah, let's blend that out. And if you ever do that with highlighter, just take your powder brush and just blend it. Okay, much better. But one thing I noticed though, this highlighter doesn't last long. Because I wore it to church this morning, and then by the time I came home, which was about maybe 4 or 5 hours after, it was already gone. Alright, that's good. So for lipstick, I'm gonna, since we went really full drama on the eyes, I'm gonna be using a nude lip, and I'm gonna be using the Physician Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish right here, and the shade is the shade is, what shade is this? I don't know what shade that is. Excuse me, I have a cold. So I'm using RIMMEL Lasting Finish lip liner in Coffee Bean. Excuse me. RIMMEL Lasting Finish lip liner in Coffee Bean. If you guys hear that, that's just the fridge coming on. Decided to come on while I'm videoing. How rude. Okay. In this lip line, this lipstick from Physician Formula, the one thing I like about it is it's a liquid lipstick, yeah, and it does get that matte feel, but it doesn't, it's not that kind of like dry matte. It still transfers though, it still transfers, but it stays on quite a while, but it's comfortable, you know. I don't mind it transferring, you know, it's very comfortable. Because I used the my last video, I used the ColourPop liquid lipstick. I haven't used that lipstick in so long, and when I used it last week, I'm like, oh god, this is why I don't use it. It's so drying. I like that. So that's the finished look, guys. A little drama for Thanksgiving, but hey, nothing wrong with drama, right? So like I said, you know, always find a reason to be thankful, not just for Thanksgiving. You know, it's good for us to really focus on being thankful during Thanksgiving, but throughout the year, we should always find reasons in our lives to just be thankful. Yeah, thankful to God, and also thankful to the people around us, to our family, you know, our friends, you know, even your co-workers. You know, I have a very great co-workers, you know, and I'm very, very thankful for them. This year, I know that they love me, the way that they've supported me, you know. So, you know, little things like that. Let's always find reasons to be thankful to God and to one another, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you know. Like, subscribe, and share the video, you know, to friends and family. And I'll leave the details of everything that I used on my face. I'll leave it in the description box below. And don't forget, you know, just comment down below whatever you're thankful for. Let's just share with each other and encourage and inspire each other to always be thankful. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving. That's the song stuck in my head. Èmi ò máa yọ̀, Jésù ti sọ fún mi pé ìràwọ̀ mi sì máa yọ̀ sí. Ìràwọ̀ mi sì máa tàn sí.